Hi, I've just finished a presentation and I was making an analogy between Telsa and SCAD Software that I wanted to share with you. Telsa have taken an established manufacturing process called die casting and they've used this to revolutionize how they create a whole rear underbody chassis as one part for the new look Model Y car using a giant gigapress. Now, by reducing the number of parts from 70 down to 1, there have been some profound benefits. Each of the 70 parts would have involved being welded or screwed to another piece, and all of that requires floor space, energy, quality control, and indeed the opportunity for error. Now, with one large piece, experts believe that they're going to see a 40% reduction in the cost of the manufacturing process, and they can reduce the number of robots by 300, and they'll likely see a 30% reduction in floor space. This revolutionary approach to manufacturing, using an established technique but in a totally new way, makes the Model Y cheaper to produce, more competitive, and more accessible to the consumer. Now, in a similar way, we've revolutionized the process of building bespoke software. We've taken an established software development methodology called metadata, and we've used this to create a complete software development environment. This has enabled us to reduce the amount of source code we've needed to create applications by at least 40% compared with building software the traditional way. Now, the challenge with source code is that it is expensive. It's time consuming to create and then takes a lot of time to keep it current and prevent the system from becoming end of life. The metadata approach, however, has enabled us to build software 75% faster than if we were to do the same thing using source code. And we also expect to save our clients at least 30% over the life of the software. Now, we've been using this in both large and small company deployments, and we're seeing a number of other both technical and commercial benefits as a result of using this methodology. For example, your technical documentation is now an automatic output of the process. Secondly, your application never goes end of life, as you are no longer dependent upon a language-specific programming language. The testing cycle is much shorter for metadata versus source code, and any changes you want to make tend to be made in hours and days, not weeks and months. And all of this enables us to offer our clients a business model where we get remunerated largely on delivery. If you're interested in hearing more about this, we'd love to have a chat. So please feel free to book in for a virtual cup of coffee at our website. Thank you.